which we're seeing now, then I'm able to see some better market structure here. So if we kind of consolidate here for a minute and maybe break out, then that will give me another, area to move my stop loss. Like say, for example, just under this level, 723 here in the Nasdaq,
Mhm.
and it'll get tighter as the day goes on because we have time, right? Like we can't just hold this trade up forever. We'll close it before the end of the New York session. So as such, I'll keep getting it tighter. And I used to trade, and I don't talk about this very often,
Oh,
but there's an indicator, if I can remember it right. It was like the parabolic star indicator. I don't know.
oh man,
Um,
what is that? What is that?
yeah, yeah. I'm
What
sure
is
we
it?
have it.
I'm looking it
Parabolic.
up.
Let's see.
Uh,
Crab leg.
hold on, I gotta
I
see
don't know.
parabolic.
Chat probably
Parabolic.
knows better than it's been a long time, but I think that's a good example of how I'm gonna. Yeah, SAR. Yeah, yeah. It's an interesting one. It gives an example of how I like to trail my stop if you don't use indicators. Right, you can see every time that I don't know how it's calculated. It's been like years since I used something like this,
What is it?
but
What's it
it'll get
show?
tighter. It'll get tighter. Um,
Chat's about it. What is it? What is this?
I good luck. You
I
probably
don't
know
know.
more than
This
I
is
do. It's been
sorcery.
a very
This
long
follows
time.
sorcery.
Yeah, hit me up. Help me. What is it? Parabolic
Well,
support.
I opened up a can of worms on this
I
one.
love it. Never heard of that. Parabolic support and resistance.
Yeah, yeah.
Teach me. Teach
But
me.
support and resistance. uh,
Mhm.
I should have never mentioned the
Sounds like supply
thing
and demand to me.
indicator.
Sounds like supply and demand to me. Stop reverse. Okay, very good. When the pellet, when the pellet
Look
moves
at chat.
below, you
Oh
should
yeah,
be
Vince
long.
knows.
We
Vince
should be
chat
short.
knows.
Is that like RSI? No, stop. I'm just making things messier.
S- Czar stop and reverse.
Yep.
I don't know. It's been a while since I've screwed around with indicators like that, but yeah, it's just an example.
What were you
The
trying to
the
do there?
slower the price action gets, the tighter the price action gets, the tighter my stop loss gets,
Yeah,
and
okay, fair enough. That's it
that's a
just
better way to explain it.
I think so. Yeah, that's kind of where I was going with that one, Dakota. But then you had to do that.
I had to.
50 on the tilt. We got that 5-year option. Take a peek at Fed Watch. First things I do every check out where we're at. We were in the 80s for a pause. 87% for a pause right now, Jack. Next
Hmm.
FOMC meeting, January 28th. January 28th.
I mean, that seems about right.
New buyers jump back in. Buyers stepped in on gold. See the same thing over there in copper. Yes. Silver doing the same
Powell
thing.
Yep.
will Powell
Slowly,
will be
slowly.
here through May,
Oh,
Ooh,
and he can
I'm gonna
continue
move my.
on as a humble voting member for 2 more years if he'd
oh,
like
that would
to.
be. Why would you do that? Just yeah.
Well, apparently he loves the job, doesn't he?
Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, he's, what a year! What a year! 2025 has been to Chairman
Be
Powell.
great. He can follow the dead around and just show up every 6 weeks to vote.
Trying to herd cats. Trying to
What's he
herd
gonna do with all of his purple ties?
chilling the rocking chair on the front porch, man. If I were him, man, I
Weave
would
them
just,
weave them into a poncho.
yeah, just follow the dead, follow the Grateful Dead around, or
Look
Dead
at
and
this market
Company.
go now.
This
Yeah,
is
That's
I'm gonna move my stop loss now again up to 723, even 100-point banger.
dude. Oh, well done.
no. He,
Oh,
he he's not resigning. His term as chair is up in May.
right.
Um, board governors are appointed to 14-year terms, not for the Fed chair, but for the you know, members. And so I believe he has 2 years left of that. So he
Hmm.
after May he will no longer be the chair, but he could stick around for 2 years.
I've asked you this before. Do you know what district he is? Is he New York or is he Virginia? I don't
I
know.
do not know.
Either. We are seeing gold. All right, I'm watching these metals here. D.
yeah,
Watching watching gold go, silver follows, and then copper. If I'm
copper
reading
is
this right, maybe
slower.
yes. Okay, fair enough.
Copper is slower. Yeah. So now this trade, this could last 3-4 hours, but it's eventually going to do whatever the other more crazy markets are doing as well. It just takes patience, and it kind of runs on its own clock, especially after LME closes, which is happening in about 20 minutes.
Mhm.
And then it usually has another push in the same direction as a continuation, but it's not going to be like NQ. It's not going to be a GC or silver. It's going to be a grind, very
Yep.
slow, and then every so often it sort of makes a jump, and then
Tariff.
it stays there forever. So if you are not sure of the setups, it can really mess with your head. But I've done the Euro trade reversal a lot, like thousands of times over the years on various assets. So I know what I'm looking for, and we do need to see some sort of a continuation above VWAP. So VWAP is right where we are right now. So we've kind of gone over it, tested a core wall, and now we need to see commitment. But again, because of the slowness of it, it might take a while to do what it needs to do. So yeah, this is not a quick trade. It's going to be a grind, especially with the holidays. I'm actually surprised how much copper moved today already. So that could be a little bit of a push. I haven't looked at its CVOL, which is kind of its own VIX.
Oh wow.
But yeah, actually, that's a good.
What was
point.
CVOL when Trump hit those tariffs? What was the CVOL in that?
Oh,
Cop?
it went bonkers, man. It was
Man,
crazy.
that was
Massively. Like copper was moving like 700 ticks a day when it normally moves 180. it was a it was a huge change, but it was very fun. I loved it. It
Oh
was
yeah,
like candy,
this
kid in a
whole
candy
year,
store kind of thing.
this whole
It
year
was
is
crazy. Yeah.
huh? It was like 6%, 7% moves in
Yeah,
All right.
call.
So
copper.
What it,
copper is sitting at about 26 for its own CVOL. Anything over 22, and that is a pretty decent volatility for copper. So I would say we're on the higher end of that. Like I said, 22 is okay. 25 is good. During tariffs, it was 32.
Let's
mm,
go.
It's like,
Let's
wow.
nice.
go. The
Yeah.
fun meter. The fun meter, man. Well, that's
So yeah, fund meter. We're short 3. Let's get that fund meter going. We're short 3 from 69.48. We're still not
okay.
at the
Nice.
call wall in the ES. That's up
What is
around
Mm,
we're asking,
52 or 53.
Yeah.
what's a
we're
call
asking in the
wall?
chat?
Call
What is
wall
call
is
wall?
where the
What
quants
is
go
it?
behind a scuffle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
And then you call.
oh my gosh. All three of you. All three of you. Now, what is that?
Session highs.
All three of you. My
Session
goodness.
highs in the Nasdaq.
um, Jack,
No.
ask group coaching. Pin at the top of the chat. These three, they're all in trades. Jack
Have
Callwall. We're
fun.
not the Callwall. 69.50 was Jack's looking at based on the options. Jack, please, quick, talk to me like caveman. You three are. Let's get to the holidays. Jack, please, real quick. What's a Callwall?
I mean, the idea is basically the way in which market makers would hedge their positions in options means that like going up it basically means that this buying through the highs will diminish, or at least the sort of forced buying to hedge. So these tend to be areas, if you look back through them, you can see a lot of times where it's like, oh, the market reversed there, wonder why. Oftentimes that's at one of these levels. Big fat round number 2, we're almost right now, we're trading 68.96 in the SPX, so very close to that 6,900. Big round numbers tend to have a lot of options activity around them.
Thank you. Was it that hard? Was it that hard, guys? Come on. These three. Okay, here goes gold. Gold closing in on 4,500. $4 to go. $4 to go.
I ain't making
Think-
shit up, MRC
Who said?
trades.
Who's
Just
making
making stuff up.
him? No, not him. That's me. That's what I know. Not
Oh.
no, that's me. No, Jack. No, these three are sharp. These can we see we're closing on 4,500s? in gold. 44.97. Last trade there. Again, gold today, we're looking at a give or take a $70 range in over the last 3 hours or so. And we're about halfway back to those all-time highs. Almost. All-time highs in gold, 45.30, 45.31, call it.
It's just a grind higher here in the Nasdaq, and man, finally got filled, Jack, on those
Are you
options.
out?
There
Oh.
you go.
Yeah,
There you go, Jack.
I was the entire volume this week on those freaking options.
Just playing the Santa rally.
Yeah, that's all it was. Playing the Santa rally going into Christmas.
Did you
MRC.
did you do them after the options expiration?
No, I did them on Friday.
Okay.
Yeah, Friday they expired tomorrow, and been trying to get out of them since yesterday.
Speaking of making things up, Santa Claus rally. That's there you go. That's made up. Nonsense. 44.97. Although someone said if you look over the last 50 years, you'll see why it's called Santa Claus rally. I'm sure there's something to it. Retail spending, I get it. Gold on the move, pushing higher here. Same with silver, same with copper.
Yep.
In the spot, we're only about 1/3% away from the all-time high. So if we do blow through these levels, then that's obviously the target. Good game longs.
Oh, come on, gold. Come on, gold. Get through there. That was a great patience. Fantastic patience, D.
Are you trading tomorrow morning? Absolutely not.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Dakota might be.
No, that's why I was trying to get out of those
Dakota
options, because I don't even want to
loves
think about the markets tomorrow.
loves markets.
I am trading tonight with Baron, and then not even thinking about the markets when I'm on vacation.
We come back. There, what's up, Romario? Yeah, that was you. I know. What's up? There you are. Thanks for watching. Remember.
Continuing the grind higher.
Yeah.
I moved my stock to 723.
Haven't seen much size. There's a little too data. Not seen much on the ladder in the NQ. Well, NQ starting to pick up some push higher here. 5,763 now, Prince.
60s. Wow.
Yes, now lagging. Okay, that's something. NASDAQ was lagging.
It's got less NVIDIA in it.
There you go. Oh, yeah, Jack, this is
NVIDIA now the star of the Mag 7, up 2.3%.
All right, there goes NQ. What is NVIDIA? NQ just woke up. NQ on the push here. NQ up about 30 points or so in the last 10 minutes. Nice. 25,767. Damn it. ES. Right there at 69.50. 69.51.
This thing's going.
Definitely just woke up.
Still, trades like this just feel good. Like you follow the process, and you always want to second guess yourself. Oh man, I should have closed it.
I was second guessing you. I'm not gonna lie. I was second guessing you when it came all the way back, Dakota. Like, man, Dakota.
But hey, there you let it pull all the way back, and then here we are, up 150 points and continuing to push higher.
Indeed. Seeing it in copper, seeing it in gold, seeing it in silver. Metals. That was really interesting when JD came on about the P&Ls and payouts. 4 of those top 5 metals traders. We got Uber Crash. I like this name. Uber Crash Dummy in the chat saying just past the combine. Thank you, Santa. Thank yourself. You're the one that did it. That's good job. What's up, D? I'm sorry.
I said it's good to see the metals getting more popularity.
Is it though? There's more people. Does the trade get more crowded though? No.
There's room for everyone. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.